Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Elementor for branding layouts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Elementor website. Once there, locate the Get Started button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Get Started button to be directed to the registration page. Here, you will see options for different plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and click on the Sign Up button associated with that plan. Fill out your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password in the password field. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated area. Once you've filled in your details, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. After verifying your email, return to the Elementor website and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, access your account dashboard. Look for the Templates section on the left sidebar. Click on Templates to explore branding layout options. Select that Add New button to create a new layout. Choose a template type that you want to work with. Customize the selected template based on your branding needs. Use Elementor's drag-and-drop features to add images, text, and other elements. Once customization is complete, click on the Publish button to make your layout live. Consider revisiting the dashboard to explore additional features and resources. You're now registered with Elementor and ready to start creating your branded layouts. Enjoy the process and unleash your creativity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.